In this video, we'll talk about how to send money to others using PhonePe. First, open the PhonePe app. You'll see two mobile number options here, along with some other choices. If you want to transfer to a bank account, you can select a bank or self-account. But in this video, we're focusing on transferring to a mobile number, so I'm choosing that option. Below, you'll notice several suggestions based on your recent activity. If you want to send money to any of these contacts, just tap on their name, and you'll go to their page. Alternatively, you can use the search option at the top. Click there, and then you can search for their mobile number. When you search for their mobile number, you'll see that contact appear. You can select it from there. Another option is, if you've saved their phone number on your smartphone, you can search using their name. When you do, you'll see their contact listed. Just select that contact. Then, at the bottom, you'll see options for enter amount or chat. Enter the amount here, for example. I'm entering an amount. After that, you'll see the pay option. Click on pay. Once you click that, you'll land on a page like this. Here, you need to enter your UPI ID. After entering your UPI ID, click submit. When you do, the money will be sent. Now, you'll see payment successful. That's how you can easily transfer money using PhonePe. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.